Good morning, everyone. This is seventh lecture of subject verb agreement. And now, dear students, we are going to read the next rule, rule number 8. A collective noun takes a singular verb when the collection is thought of as one whole, right? Firstly, let's understand this. When we talk about collective noun and we use there, we talk about a particular group or one as a whole. Basically, we talk about one. There what happens, we use singular verb with collective noun, right? It, now the next point, it takes a plural verb when the stress is on the individuals. When we divide the subjects or like its members or like we put them individuals, right? So what happens there, it take plural verbs, right everyone? So what do we understand when it talks about a group or as one, there it is used with singular verb, but when it is divided or it talks about individuals, it takes plural verb. So let's see the examples, everyone. A group of people was in the meeting. So in this sentence, what we are trying to find out, we are talking about a group of. It is talking about group, means we are talking about as one, whether there are people, but we are talking about group. That's what, for this we are taking singular verb was, not were, right? So when we talk about as one or group, it takes singular verb. Let's go to the next sentence. The jury has oblique have given its decision. So this sentence we have two verbs. Which one will we use? Let me tell you how will you justify whether we have to use singular or plural. Now you see, the jury has given its decision. This its is used for singular basically, right? So it is used for singular. That means we will use here singular verb, not plural verb. Let's go to next sentence. This will be cleared in the next sentence. The jury were divided in their opinions. Now you see, there we had its, now here we have there. So there is talking about plural. So what means when it is plural, so this jury is divided and then we will use their plural verb. So it's completely different that when we talk individuals, plural verb, when one, that is singular verb. Let's see the next sentence. The committee has submitted its report. Again, its report is showing that's talking about singular complete committee as a group. So it is correct here. But the committee have submitted their report. There we are using here, that's showing plural, and this verb will remain plural there, right? The committee have submitted their report means we are talking about the individual member of the committee. That means like individual member has submitted his report. But when we talk it as a plural, the committee have submitted their report, right? The team are divided over the issue of captainship, right? So team, it's a collective noun, it can be used as a singular also, but when we talk about divided, then it goes to the particular player member. So the team are divided over the issue of captainship. So in short, we can say when we talk about as a group, one whole, or like we are talking about individuals. So variations are there with one singular verb, but when dividation or individuals are there, plural verb. So let's go to the next rule, students. You will practice these sentences yourselves and make some more sentences to make them more sentences for the sake of practice. Let's go to next rule number 9. Uncountable nouns like advice, media, stationery, weather, progress are singular and take a singular verb. So these are few examples. I have written some more for you students so that you can make more sentences like scenery, poetry, crockery, pottery, bakery, luggage, baggage, postage, knowledge, breakage, percentage, garbage, etc. These all are uncountable nouns. So Being uncountable, they take singular verb with them. This is already written singular and take a singular verb with them. Right, everyone? Like your advice helps him a lot. This help is a base verb of help which works as a plural, and help when s is added to the verb that becomes singular. So we will not use plural verb, we will use singular verb. Your advice helps him a lot. Now we see the next sentence. His baggage is oblique are very heavy to me. So what will we use there is, because we are using uncountable noun, his baggage is very heavy to me. So dear students, you will practice these examples with some more sentences and try to find out where you make mistakes and correct them. Thank you very much, and we'll be continue with the next lecture.